For our Stylized Landscape Project, we're going to sort of put everything that we've been practicing all together, using space and stylizing and sort of building our landscapes. So you can actually refer to the roll a landscape drawing and get some ideas from that, or use any of the ideas that you see in the examples that I provide for you. I'm actually going to start my drawing in the background area. You can draw in a sun, sky, clouds, anything you like that's the furthest thing away. Then I'm going to add my middle ground, and that'll be these mountains. It can be hills. It can be a simple horizon line. You can add boats, a lighthouse or something. You can even add bridges, a home, whatever you like. Trees, larger trees, smaller trees. But I'm working from the top, which is the furthest away, and going toward the middle for the middle ground. And then the things that are closer, like the river and the stuff that's in the foreground, this flower, will be drawn lower on the picture and usually overlaps something else in the picture. So you want to be careful to layer and make sure that it looks like things are sort of going back into space. I'm erasing any areas where this flower overlapped other parts. So this way I don't have too many lines before I Sharpie. You're going to Sharpie your final drawing once you've decided on what you like. Now that I finished my line drawing, I'm going to add texture and patterns into each area or most of the areas in my picture. So I'm going to include these two handouts in Edmodo for you to reference. And you can pick and choose or be inspired or just come up with your own ideas, whatever you want. And sometimes you do want to actually skip certain areas so this way your eye isn't overwhelmed with all the patterns, but really do try to include as much fun stuff as you can into each little area. The other thing you want to make sure you do is just change it up. You want to add some variety. You don't want everything to be exactly the same. And that's pretty much it for this week. You're going to, again, use space to make a landscape using line and add patterns into each area. And then next week we'll color. Make sure you wash your hands and have some fun.